There you go. Right there. For all the Mopar fanboys. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video. And man, I'm sorry, I just got to get on you Mopar fanboys. I got to get on the Mopar fanboys, you know what I'm saying? I had to. I was looking at the video again earlier today. I was like, man, I noticed a couple of more things. So I'm going to go ahead and bring it to y'all attention, you know what I'm saying? I just got to get on you Mopar fanboys just one time because y'all should be ashamed of yourselves. You know what I'm Damn, need some water. Y'all boys is ridiculous, you feel me? So let's go ahead and bring up the video. Y'all know the video released. I don't know if I'm going to release it the same day. Nah, it's 10 o'clock now, so maybe I'll release it for y'all tomorrow. But man, let's get right into it, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if y'all haven't done so already, man. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on all social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram. Everything's in the link in the description, guys. Make sure y'all follow your boy. Make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com if y'all interested in learning how to buy and sell cars. Let's get right into it. Alright, so this is my video. You know what I'm saying? We Hustle Daily. Make sure y'all subscribe. This is my own video that I'm reacting to. You know what I'm saying? Let me bring myself down a little lower for you guys. Y'all ready? Alright, let's get it. Mopar fanboys, y'all ought to be a freaking shame.
I guess. Y'all think they added that, or y'all think this is added, or what? Why is the paint? Why is it? You know? Why is it?
Okay, first of all, y'all want a wide body that bad, Mopar fanboys? Do y'all want a wide body that bad? Is it that serious? Is it that serious? I seen a comment that said somebody was like they got their they got the same kit off Wish. Yo, we actually gotta go to Wish. We gotta go to Wish and we gotta see if you know what I'm saying that is true, man. You can actually go to Wish. I gotta remember to do that, man. As a matter of fact, yeah, we gotta do that. But is it that serious, you Mopar fanboys? You couldn't just take a Hellcat. Y'all had to, you know what I'm saying, slap a whole freaking wide body kit on there. Then it's not even a good job. And I'm gonna bring something to y'all attention in this video. Make sure y'all pay attention. Let's go.
Chipping right there. Oh, and it looks not even. So I think they tried
It wasn't even even. I don't know who did this work.
to add this, guys. It's gotta be. Yeah, I think they tried to add it to the car. Yeah, they did. So it's a fake wide body.
Fake wide body. Look, and I want y'all to see something, right? This is why it looks so bad to me that I forgot to even mention this in the video when I was you know what I'm saying telling y'all. Look at how the wheels aren't out with the hips of the car. Oh my god, bro, that looks horrible. They could have put some wheel spacers. They probably just needed some wheel spacers on there. It probably would have looked better, but my god, bro.
Ain't that crazy? Let's get that thumbnail.
Look at it. Oh my god, you Mopar fanboys, bro. What is wrong with y'all? Y'all crash all y'all cars. Then y'all try to put wide body. Look at the back. Look at the back. Look at the back.
Yeah, real quick. Okay, that look good. Bring it up some. Wow, there you go. So
I be
I
getting
think
the
this used to
thumbnails.
be a regular Hellcat. They just added it because you can see the paint, man. It's like, I'm pretty sure from the factory it's not supposed to be looking like this.
Hell no, it ain't supposed to be looking like that. They did a terrible job, man. Just like y'all terrible at driving y'all cars and y'all always crashing them. God damn, bro. That's the new name for the Mopar guys. Mopar fanboys. That's y'all new name.
Boom. Yeah, so they probably just tried to put the body kit on there because on every single fender flare it's like that. So it looks good though, I ain't gonna lie. It looked like a
I'm lying. I'm talking about it look good though. It look good though. You know I'm lying, bro. I'm telling y'all the truth in this video. That shit looks horrible. Straight up. I don't know why I said it looks good. No, it looks bad. I mean, I just gotta be honest. It do. Look, all right. Look, let me show you something else.
what?
Look right here. Like it looks horrible, bro. It look bad. It do.
body. It kind of looks messed up here though because it's not straight. Like if you can see here, see how it goes? Can y'all see it?
Nah,
See, it's not like
it don't kind of look messed up. It is messed up.
you can see it right there. Like, but for what they tried to do, I guess it would have fooled me. It would have fooled a lot of people. Got a sunroof on it.
Nah, it didn't fool me. I gotta get up on that thing. Once you get up on it, you can see the flaws and the imperfections. You know what I'm saying? The interior was nice though with the red and the you know what I'm saying, what you call it. Or do y'all think the people who stole this because this was a theft, they tried to put the wide body on there? Y'all let me know in the comments below.
Oh, it got the crazy interior on it, y'all. Nice. I like the color combination they went with on this one. I think it's worn down a little bit. I don't think it's supposed to be, unless we can't wait. We can go by the back. But I know the back ain't gonna be worn down. So yeah, there you go. The front looks a little darker. The seats look a little darker right here just because, you know, people sit here. Or maybe because the sun right there, you know. I mean, the shade right there. But this part doesn't look like. But anyway, oh, it does got a key. I think, it do got a key. Let's see if it has power.
Usually NK means no key, but this car had a key, so that was weird. I get yeah, maybe they made a key. Those keys look like damn.
Ooh. Let me let the seat back some.
I think. Let me see. Let me go back a little bit. Yeah, that mug had a red key, a black key. It had everything. Shit. The thieves gave him the key back.
It do got a key. Let's see if he has power. Ooh. Let me let the seat back some.
Yo, I'm gonna tell y'all something about me. I'm short, but like I feel like I got long arms and long legs. Like I don't know, I just feel like this part is like small, but like my arms is long as hell and like I don't know if I got long legs or not. I don't know, but that's how I be feeling. So I be having to sit back. People be like, "Damn, you be lean, don't you?" I'm be like, "Shit, my arms is long as hell." Like,
Man, I know this thing is about to be super loud.
it didn't have the Hellcat on the seats. It just had SRT. You Mopar fanboys, is stuff like that? Does that happen without the Hellcat on the seats, the symbol? Cause I just noticed it just got SRT on the seats. I know you Mopar fanboys gonna know that. So y'all let me know in the comments below. Do some of the Hellcats come with just SRTs and not with the SRT with the Hellcat logo? Y'all let me know in the comments below.
Gonna see if it crank up in a second. Let me just look, see what's up under the hood, make sure everything all good. This literally just got here, 2016. Yep, supercharged Hellcat. Motor look good. I have no idea why this would be here. No idea why it would be here. Oh, it was stolen. It was stolen. It was stolen.
So no VIN number. At least I'm assuming it was stolen. I think that's what it had said, but yeah, no VIN number, man. No VIN number. They be doing that. I'd have seen a Grand Cherokee like that, and I don't see the Grand Cherokees in this state a lot. The SRTs or the Trackhawks, they don't really ride them like that here, but they ride the Chargers and the Challengers all day, every day. Shit, I went somewhere today, everybody was pulling up in one. I was like, oh my god, this is Mopar fanboy. His a party, goddamn.
Okay. It was stolen, guys. It was stolen, and they tried to put the freaking wide body kit on there. You can see. Let's crank this thing up. Just quick crank up, because these things are super loud, man. Somebody.
It didn't crank up on that first initial start. What y'all think that was? That mug only got 25,000 miles on it. 24.9. Got some low miles on that joint.
Maybe wrong with this one, y'all. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, And as you can also see, I have plenty of
Yo,
testimonials on how I've
look
helped.
at all these testimonials, bro. I had stopped putting them on the website. If I keep putting testimonials on the website, y'all, the whole listen, y'all be strolling with y'all mouse or with y'all hand all goddamn day. If y'all go to whdacademy.com, that's how many uh testimonials I got.
Others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below.
Woo, Lord.
No, it's
Woo.
not.
I ain't gonna flex. It sound good though. It sound good. Sound like I got a muffler delete. Hey, let me know in the comments below. Should I muffler delete Patrick? I don't think Patrick got a muffler. I think Patrick got the mufflers on there. Y'all let me know if I should muffler delete Patrick or is that too loud? I kind of like it the way it is. Honestly, like not too loud, but still, got a little growl to it. Y'all let me know in the comments below though if I should muffler delete Patrick. And if y'all don't know who Patrick is my Pontiac G8 GT, and it got a cam in it.
24,000 miles on this thing. This thing's a beast, man. I like the color combination with the orange and the these seats look good. But it's a brand new one here, guys. Not up for sale just yet. Let me make sure. Hold on. Yeah, and it's definitely not for sale yet. It says front end on it. It's damaged, but it says no VIN, so that's what I think the damage is. But
Oh yeah, so it didn't say it was stolen when I looked it up, but it was just saying front end. So I'm not sure what that was about, but I did see we all seen that the VIN number was scratched off. So I'm not sure what that was about. But I don't really see nothing on the front end. I see that booty job of a wide body they tried to put on there. Y'all Mopar fanboys, y'all don't surprise me, bruh. Y'all be doing all type of stuff. Y'all put 392 badges on y'all RTs. Y'all put RT badges on y'all V6s. Y'all put RTs on y'all GTs. Yeah, that's a better one. Y'all put RT badges on y'all GTs. Y'all be doing all type of stuff, bro. Like it's cool, bro. If you got the RT, just rock RT, gang. Or if you got a 392, just rock 392, bruh. If you got the regular Hellcat, bruh, just rock the regular Hellcat. Don't be trying to put the wide body on there because you see what happens. This looks terrible, bro. I'm in the video talking about, oh, it don't look bad. Bro, this looks terrible. Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Just rock what you know what I'm saying? Or debadge your car. Debadge your car. There you go. You can debadge your car. I seen a Mopar Challenger today, and it had a I don't know what the hell it was. It had some different type of badges. He had a goddamn what do you have? A goddamn alien on his shit or something.
y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Let's keep this thing moving and growing.
But yeah, man. And y'all see the Lexus right there, man. I got something coming for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all need to be following me on Instagram. Y'all already know what's going on with the Lexus, you feel me? But you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned for that. You feel me? But man, let me go ahead and exit out of here. As a matter of fact, we need to be going to wish.com and to see if they got this what you call it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. I have to make an account. Let me see. He just trolling? Or is there really wide body kits on Wish? Okay, I was about to wait a minute. Oh, those are the LEDs. Okay, okay, okay. He was just trolling, man. I had to check, bro. I had to check. Let's see. Let's put in Hellcat. See if anything pops up for the Mopar fanboys that y'all can go in here and buy. Oh, there you go, Mopar fanboys. Hey, there you go. Right there. For all the Mopar fanboys. Ah. Oh man, having a little fun with y'all, man. But shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Let me know if y'all like these type of videos. You feel me? I'm messing around with this stream stuff. So man, I appreciate y'all watching, y'all tuning in. Love you guys as always, man. Appreciate all the support as always, man. Make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. Don't ever forget it. You know what I'm saying? And y'all Mopar boys, y'all be careful out there. Y'all drive safe, all right? Cause I'm tired of seeing y'all in Copart. I'm tired of seeing y'all in the IAAs with your cars, you know, crashed. Hey, and listen, real quick. For all of you guys who are asking me, can I find you one of these cars? Well, that was one. I had just found one in that video, but I don't be seeing them like that a lot. Basically, is what I'm saying. Like that one ran, drove, and stuff. Like I can find you one that probably run, but it ain't gonna be driving and stuff like that. That one actually looked like it ran and drove, so that was actually a good find. But um, that car is sold now. But usually I see them crash because y'all crashing them, bro. Y'all crash the V6s, the Scat Packs, the RTs, the Hellcats, the Widebodies, the Chargers, the Challengers. Y'all crash everything. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Mopar fanboys. And don't listen, I'm not picking on the Mopar fanboys. It's just all fun and games, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I love y'all. I love everybody. You feel me? But we riding LS over here. You feel me? Big cammed LS G8. You feel me? It's your boy Ray Big Play Ray. I'm out of here. Peace.